The third case study is the HMRC Tax Platform. So we got involved with GDS, the Government Digital Services, that was part of the Cabinet Office, in the very early days when they had these 25 transactional services that where they wanted to demonstrate how the government could adopt digital services at scale. So we were part of the 3 transactions that HMRC did, which was basically car fuel and company car taxation, tax account, and self-assessment. So the tax platform was basically started in a kind of skunkworks project, and it then grew, and it took over after 2 years the actual production. The reason why this is interesting from a scale point of view is that we had to put in place, I think, 8 or 9 different squads that operated in parallel in the end on different aspects of the taxation. We deployed to a cloud called UK Cloud, which is actually a joint venture from EMC, VMware, and Cisco and the government security people. It was this cloud deployment that proved crucial to have the elasticity that we needed for the tax deadline on the 31st of January. So on the 31st of January, of course, everybody's returning their self-assessment. And the cloud, when we went live, when this was put to the test, I think did about 4.5 or 5 million self-assessments on the day without going down. And that was made possible only as a result of having the elasticity and having the cloud deployment in place, where we could very rapidly commission the bandwidth, the computational bandwidth required to deal with these tax implications.